Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Several presumptive COVID 19 cases linked to recent Biogen meeting in Boston. The number of presumptive cases of COVID-19 in Massachusetts jumped to 7 on Friday, according to the latest data from the Department of Public Health. To date, Massachusetts has reported one confirmed case of the illness caused by the novel coronavirus involving a UMass Boston student. The 7 presumptive cases are reported based on local testing, but are still awaiting confirmation by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Those presumptive cases include 3 in Suffolk County, 3 in Norfolk County, and 1 in Middlesex County. The patients in Boston are 2 women and 1 man in their 40s, said Boston Chief of Health and Human Services, Marty Martinez. All 3 attended a recent conference that Cambridge-based Biogen held in Boston at the Marriott Long Wolf. The individuals were identified by the company as having had contact with a person who became ill after the meeting, Martinez said. Martinez said health officials are tracing those who may have had contact with the new presumptive cases. Approximately 175 people attended the meeting, which was held from February 24th to the 27th. Related illnesses were previously reported in other attendees, including 1 person from Tennessee and 2 Europeans. 2 of the Norfolk County presumptive positive cases were also linked to the Biogen conference, according to Massachusetts Secretary of Health and Human Services. The 3rd case in that county is a man in his 40s who recently returned from Italy. Also, we can tell you 2 Wellesley schools dismissed early after parent test positive for COVID-19. The presumptive cases reported in Middlesex County involves a woman in her 60s who had recently traveled to Europe. Brigham and Women's Hospital said Friday afternoon that it was asked to help conduct testing on other individuals who were patients at the Biogen conference. A spokesperson for the hospital said it will test those patients outside of the hospital in an ambulance bay. As of Wednesday, DPH officials reported that 719 people have been quarantined as a precaution. Of those, 470 people had completed the 14-day quarantine process and were released. Governor Charlie Baker and Mayor Walsh updated on the impact of the coronavirus. Also, we can tell you, coronavirus identified an Indian man who recently traveled to Boston. Tennessee man diagnosed with the COVID-19 flew in out of Logan, health officials said. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.